Hi guys, I'm Will from VPN Mentor, and I'd like to welcome you to our tutorial and review of IPVanish VPN. Like always, we'll take a look at their services, what they offer and at what costs. See how their networks and customer support perform so you don't have to. Following up to their homepage, right away we can spot that they support all major operating systems, including mobile ones. All of their plans include unlimited bandwidth, up to 5 simultaneous connections on multiple devices, which is really neat, 256-bit encryption to keep your data secure, and they claim to give access to censored apps and websites, and all with a 7-day money-back guarantee, which we'll check out later on. Also, their privacy policy mentions no logs and no tracking of any kind, which is always a good thing, especially if you're torrenting. Let's go out and check the plans and pricing and start with the process. They currently give 3 plan options. We'll go with 1 month for the purpose of this video, but buying a yearly subscription is recommended since the savings are pretty good. After typing our credentials, we proceed with PayPal as a payment option. Although credit cards and various alternative payment methods are available, such as Alipay or Cash-U, it should be noted that many of these are country-specific, so take a closer look before using them. I should note that if you're looking for the best deals on VPN services, you should check out our coupon page on VPN Mentor. It's updated regularly and it could save you some cash. Okay, so we completed our purchase successfully and now heading to check their software. Before doing so, we're confirming our purchase and account details from the email we received. Alright, we downloaded the app and going through the installation process. And here's the app up and running. And right after logging in, we can see our local connections and addresses. To the side are different settings, including a list of servers they offer and their location. We can also filter them by country or latency if we choose so. Settings tab gives us the usual things to manage, as well as some specific ones like automatically connecting to the fastest server available, enabling kill switch, and even automatic change of IP address every number of minutes. Let's see how the network performs. We'll check our local connection at first, to see how it compares to the VPN one. We can see that we're in Belgrade right now, and our connection seems firm with ping at 30 milliseconds and an average of 59 megabytes per second for download and 4 megabytes per second for upload. Before we continue, we need to clear cookies and other browsing data. Let's check out our connection against the VPN one. And just before doing so, we're opening Netflix to see whether we can see the content we're after. We're searching for a TV series of Family Guy, which is currently restricted in our country. As you can see, we found nothing. Now, we must know that there were issues with connecting to Netflix and bypassing the restrictions with the auto-selected service from the VPN app. Since we couldn't open Netflix with a few tries, we've raised a ticket to their customer support and got a response within minutes. And they helped us choose the appropriate server to solve the issue. Big kudos to them. Going back to our VPN app and selecting a server in the USA, Las Vegas is the preferred one. We're now connected, so let's verify that we're on the web. Yes, we're successfully connected, and now let's see the speed we can pull through this server. Not so bad. Ping was 189 milliseconds with 10.23 megabytes per second of download and 3.68 megabytes per second upload speed. Should be good enough for streaming Netflix. Heading back to check whether we can see the restricted content. Great, we can see the series is now available for streaming and it's all working good. Since we checked their server and performed our tests, let's go see whether we can cancel our subscription and refund our plan. Heading to their website, under subscriptions, we choose to cancel it and proceed. In the process, we can see they offer an incentive, 2 months free service, to keep you as a customer. We successfully received our money back, so we can confirm the refund process works well. In the end, and for the purpose of this video tutorial, we'll also show you how to remove the VPN app from your system in case you weren't satisfied with their service. On Windows 10, which we're using, you should right-click to the Windows icon on the bottom left and go to Apps and Features, where you'd search the list for the app you'd like to remove. In this case, it's IPVanish. And after that, select the app, press uninstall, and follow the procedure, which is usually the same as for any other program. If you'd like more information on IPVanish VPN services, you can check out our review page where you can see and compare their services to many others and choose the best one for you. Alright, let's wrap up this tutorial. The things we really liked about IPVanish: they unblock restricted content, they keep no logs, they have great support for operating systems, they have an easy-to-use app with great options, and they have very responsive support. What we didn't like is, well, actually nothing. Really solid job, IPVanish. That completes our tutorial and review of IPVanish. Thanks for staying with us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and leave comments in the section below.